right, we're looking at question 1 here. Wants to know what kind of molecular orbital we get when those two atomic orbitals overlap in the manner indicated. I know on some of the PDFs that are coming out, you can't necessarily see the shading like you can here. But when in doubt, best thing to do is to show both type of orbitals you get when these two type of orbitals overlap. They're either going to overlap in phase and go down in energy. And what I mean by in phase, we have our two nuclei, but we'd view it kind of like how this one is. If you can see it on my screen, the two lobes facing each other are both clear. The outer ones are kind of in the gray, so they should be overlapping in phase, which means for constructive interference, and we get that big lobe in between, and the two ends get ever so slightly. And if that happens, that overlap increase in the middle, we just call that a sigma bond. But if we were to say they overlap out of phase, what's going to happen is the outer lobe gets a little bit bigger, and this one kind of has a little flatness to it because there is a node in between that is preventing the overlap from occurring. They're overlapping out of phase to one another, and we call that a sigma star.